A square-shaped hypothetical planet is present in deep space. Find the minimum velocity with which a body of mass m should be projected from the center of planet so that it can escape from the gravitational field of planet. Okay, so like we are going to find the escape velocity only. Surface mass density of planet is sigma, and its edge length is L. Okay, so using energy conservation, we can write m delta v is equals to the change in kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy will be equals to half mve square, and final kinetic energy will be 0. Okay, the delta v is the change in or potential difference. Okay, so from here v is will be equals to under root 2 delta v. Now delta v or the potential difference will be equals to potential at infinity minus potential at point O. Now at infinity potential will be 0, so delta v is equals to minus v naught, and ve will be equals to under root 2 times minus v naught. So now we are required to find this v naught term, okay, or potential at point O. Now we'll use integration to find the potential, this potential of this square at point O. Now consider a small uh, rectangular element of sides r d theta and dr. Okay, and the potential due to this differential element at point O will be equals to minus g dm by r. Okay, r is the distance and dm is the mass of this differential element. So we can write the potential is equals to minus g sigma r d theta dr by r, and dv will be equals to minus g sigma d theta into dr. Now this is the potential due to this small differential element at point O. Okay, now this v is a function of theta and r, so we'll use double integration to find the potential of this triangle. Okay, so we'll integrate theta from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 and r from 0 to L by 2 secant theta. Okay, so on integrating, first we'll integrate it with respect to dr, keeping d theta term constant, and then we'll integrate with respect to d theta. Okay, and limits will of theta will be from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Now since this secant theta is an even function, we can write it like 2 times secant theta only, and the limits will change from then 0 to pi by 4, and the integration of secant theta is ln secant theta plus tan ln secant theta plus tan theta, and then on substituting the limits we'll get the value of this v or potential of this triangle uh, is equals to minus g sigma l ln root 2 plus 1. Okay, this is the gravitational potential of this triangle at point O. So similarly, potential of this triangle at point O will also be equals to that v term, and इसका भी same होगा and इसका भी same ही potential होगा इस point पे. So potential due to at the center of this square will be equals to 4 times the potential due to each triangle. So it will be equals to minus 4 g sigma ln root 2 plus 1. So this is equals to v naught only. Okay, and delta v will be equals to minus of minus 4 minus of minus v naught, so it will be equals to 4 g sigma l ln root 2 plus 1. So escape velocity is equals to 2 minus v naught. Okay, and v naught is itself negative, so this whole term will become positive only. So it is equals to 2 under root 2 g sigma l ln root 2 plus 1.